There are two ways to get AI wrong: too scared to touch it, or too impressed to question it. Both come from the same habit: not bothering to look. For a long time, AI was treated like a black box, until a closer look showed that its instructions and outputs could be read directly. The words are what make it feel complicated. Algorithms, Python, GitHub, JSON, AI agents, Claude code. They sound like things you need permission to touch, but when you actually open them up, it's almost always the same stuff underneath. Plain text, the instructions someone wrote, the code, the AI's own answers, things sitting in a folder that you can read line by line. And here's the part that actually matters. If you can read it, you can check it. Good news is you already know how to verify stuff. You reread an email before you send it. You double-check a number before it goes in front of the board. It's the same instinct. The only difference is that AI is built to sound right even when it's wrong, so the confident answers are the ones worth pointing it at. Want to try it right now? I call it the 2-minute test. Open ChatGPT or Claude and ask it something you already know, cold, something from your own work. Then ask one follow-up. How do you know that? Show me. Because you already know the answer, you'll see in seconds whether the reasoning holds up or it's filling in the blanks. The answer was never a black box. You just had to ask it to open. You don't have to choose between using AI and trusting it. Reading it is how you start. Checking it against what you already know is how you finish. If this video helped you think differently about AI, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who uses AI every day. The best way to use AI isn't to trust it blindly, it's to verify it intelligently. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on AI, grant writing, and nonprofit success. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.